Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the real story behind beauty products so you can make informed choices. Today, we're looking at the KIKO Milano Radiant Touch Bronzing Powder in 103 Luminous Cocoa. It's a pressed powder designed to give medium coverage with a radiant finish, promising that sun-kissed glow without the sun. Right out of the packaging, the bronzer feels luxuriously smooth and finely milled. The compact itself is sleek and travel-friendly, which is always a plus for on-the-go touch-ups. KIKO Milano emphasizes a radiant finish, and the shade 103 Luminous Cocoa leans warm, making it versatile for medium to deeper skin tones, though lighter skin tones might need a light hand to avoid an overly intense effect. Applying it was straightforward. The powder blends effortlessly across the cheeks and temples, leaving a subtle luminosity rather than a glittery streak. I tested it in my morning makeup routine, and it held up well throughout a busy day, pairing nicely with both matte and dewy foundations. Its medium coverage allows for layering, which is great if you want a deeper contour or sun-kissed intensity without looking patchy. One thing I really appreciated is how lightweight it feels on the skin. It doesn't settle into fine lines or appear cakey, which is a common issue with some bronzers. On the flip side, because it's a pressed powder with a radiant finish, it's not ideal if you prefer a fully matte contour look. So your preference here matters. Pros: blends like a dream, smooth texture, travel-friendly compact, and a beautifully radiant finish. Cons: shade might not suit very fair skin without careful application, and it's not matte, so it won't replace a dedicated contour powder if that's what you're after. In terms of value for money, KIKO Milano sits in that mid-range price point. Considering the quality of the powder, its versatility, and the lasting radiance, it's a solid investment for someone who enjoys a polished, glowy look without fuss. Compared to other bronzers in a similar range, like the NYX Matte Bronzer or ELF Sun-Kissed Bronzer, this one stands out for its luminous finish and blendability, though those alternatives might appeal more to budget-conscious buyers or fans of matte formulas. The compact feels sturdy, the mirror is handy, and the powder has retained its quality after several uses, which speaks to the brand's consistency in formulation. I haven't personally needed to contact KIKO Milano's customer service, but their reputation for responsiveness is generally solid in the beauty community. If you're looking for an alternative that offers similar radiance at a slightly lower price, the ELF bronzing powder has a comparable shimmer, though it's not quite as finely milled. However, if you're after that ultra-smooth professional finish, the KIKO Milano Radiant Touch Bronzing Powder justifies its price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, I found the KIKO Milano Radiant Touch Bronzing Powder to be a reliable, luminous addition to my makeup routine. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their natural warmth with a radiant glow and enjoys a medium coverage bronzer that's easy to layer. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.